So we're going to do some beef short ribs. Got a really good cut of beef short ribs here from my butcher. What I've done is I've actually taken off the membranes already. So there's one, what you'd find is actually there's two membranes, one thin one, which you can really easily pull off, and then the second thicker one, which you really want to get off so that the rub can get down to the meat, is quite difficult to get off, so you'll have to use a bit of a sharp knife to pull it off. So I'm going to put a bit of a binder on, a mustard binder. I like using mustard on my meat as a binder, it just gives a good flavour. So just rub that in. Today we're going to do coffee crusted ribs. So you can use quite a few different types of rubs on this, but today it's going to be coffee. Okay, so we get that binder all over the meat, which is good. So I've got our Smokey Espresso, which is in the shaker, and just going to give a very, very good coverage of the rub. Other options that you can use for this is, a really good one is SPG. Obviously beef goes really well with salt, pepper, garlic, so our SPG is perfect for beef ribs as well. And if you wanted something different, you can always go with a Big Tex or the Kansas Kick if you wanted kind of a chili, spicy type rub. Or if you wanted a Mexican one, go with the double chipotle. All right, so that's got good coverage. Just put the rest of this on top here, and we're going to put this in the Weber. So I've got the Weber going. It's already got a pork shoulder in there. We've got it set at about 250 to 275 Fahrenheit, and I've got some wood chunks in there, oak today, but I'm also going to add in a bit of hickory wood as well. There we go.